Do you have a Hindi speaking friend but you don't know much Hindi? Well, try to WhatsApp these sentences and surprise them. What are your thoughts now? अब क्या सोचा है? अब क्या सोचा है? अब means now. क्या means what? Do you need any help? क्या तुम्हें कोई मदद चाहिए? क्या तुम्हें कोई मदद चाहिए? मदद means help. Why are you so quiet? तुम इतने शांत क्यों हो? तुम इतने शांत क्यों हो? शांत means quiet, क्यों means why. Heard anything new? कुछ नया सुना? कुछ नया सुना? नया means new. सुना means hear. How is your new job going? तुम्हारी नई जॉब कैसी चल रही है? तुम्हारी नई जॉब कैसी चल रही है? Any special news? कोई स्पेशल खबर है? कोई स्पेशल खबर है? So which Hindi sentence are you going to message your friend today? Comment here. And for more such sentences, don't forget to subscribe. Share this with your friend for more Hindi practice.